Find or read reviews that people are talking about. BACSYJ Tumbler Heat Press, 110-volt tumbler press for 30, 20-ounce sublimation skinny straight tumblers. 11 to 15 ounces mugs. Mug press DIY heat transfer print metal cups with heat tape gloves, blue color. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose BACSYJ Tumbler Heat Press. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The heat sublimation press automatically shuts off for long periods of time without operation, high safety with FCC certification, and is equipped with a one-button operation feature that makes it easy to use whether you are a beginner or a professional. Tumbler heat press can sublimate mugs between 2.6 to 3.4 inches in diameter, 10.6 inch in length, can heat sublimate 2 mugs at the same time. This includes most 11 to 30 ounce mugs, weighs 13 pounds. Easy to carry, lightweight, small size, storage does not take up space, perfect for home, startup, business. Heat press power 500 watt, voltage 110 volt, has 3 setting modes, respectively, 200 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Celsius, time 300 seconds, 200 seconds, 100 seconds, to meet different thermal sublimation needs. Easier to operate and use. Operation reference, sublimation cup ceramic cup glass cup set at 180 degrees Celsius, 200 seconds, sublimation metal cup set at 160 degrees Celsius, 100 seconds. Tumbler type press is thoughtful gift idea. Your loved ones will be delighted when they see the gift with their favorite design printed on it. DIY unique and sophisticated gifts are perfect for Christmas, anniversaries, and birthdays, as well as congratulations, graduations, and weddings. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.